Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you deleted files from the hard drive but it is still full, let us say that you tried deleting files from the D drive but it is still full. So here's one thing that you need to know. These files still exist in the recycle bin because the recycle bin is also part of that drive. So you'll have to delete the files from the recycle bin itself, or simply empty the recycle bin if the files are redundant. If they're useful, then you can obviously recover them. And the second one is disk cleanup. I'll tell you what disk cleanup does. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Okay. Now, when you delete files using disk cleanup, it also deletes the files which have been, which are temporary but are a part of the, what do we say, the drive. And this includes system recovery log files. Okay, so these files, the system recovery log files, are the files associated with your recovery process, the restore point created on your system. So these are very important, but if you delete them, the system restore point will also be deleted. But if you need some space, then you can delete these as well. Click on OK and then select delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.